Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what I'm going to use for my plein air type of setup. So I'm more of a sit down kind of artist. I don't want to stand up, haul a camera, tripod. So what I came up with is I got this masonite board, and I think I picked it up like at Hobby Lobby, someplace like that, a long time ago. But it's coated, and underneath here to show you is I have magnets. I bought some high-powered magnets off Amazon, and I just used packing tape to adhere it because I wanted to be able to take it off if I didn't like the placement. So I just wanted options. And this gives me a nice steady surface. I like that it's a glossy coating on the top part. And then I got this great clip here. This clip is like a binder clip, and I got these off Amazon, and it holds a container, like a cup. Came with a 2-pack, so you can see I could just put a standard size, like Starbucks coffee cup in here, or a paper cup, and I could fill it with water, and that could be my water source. And then I made a brush holder, and it's a really simple design. I basically had a box that I got a ring from, and inside I put some packing material. Originally I had styrofoam, but the styrofoam was kind of, every time I would put the brush in, it would tear the styrofoam apart, and then I would get like little bits and pieces of styrofoam all over, and I didn't want that. So I found this packing material, like a noodle kind of material. Anyways, so I used that, cut it up, and I have my brushes stuck in there, and I like it a lot. And I just basically took a binder clip and used, again, good old packing tape. And I'll just show you. I'll try to do this one-handed. And I just basically can clip it to the side of the board like so. So it can go like that. And then the other thing, because I have the magnets underneath there, the reason for that is because my pallets are metal. So the magnets will hold the pallets to the board, and I don't have to worry about them falling off. And then if you've followed my Instagram, you'll recognize this box, because this is the primary box that I use. This is a Lamy Joy box, and I use the box way more than I use the Lamy pin. I don't even know if I really use the Lamy pin, but like the tin. Kind of expensive for it, but you know, if you're into wanting to get a Lamy pin, get it, use the box. But in here I have my full trusty colors that I like, and then I like this box because look, I can stick pens in here, and brushes, mechanical pencil, all kinds of good stuff, sharpener, and kneadable erasers, things that I use a lot. So I use that, and then I can use this as a mixing tray, and because I have magnets up here, it all holds pretty well. So I can then use this to paint, and then I also have, you know, the flexibility. So let's say, because my water cup's over here, I could do it like that, or switch these two around. You know, you get the picture. But I like that it's flexible because I need options. So anyhow, that's my setup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you will maybe take this idea and try it out. It's pretty economical to make, and it's going to pack really light, and it's very portable. So that's why I wanted to have this kind of setup, and it's the way that I work. So I think this will help out when I want to do art on a chair. I will test it out and I'll update you on my Instagram, which is the same name as my YouTube channel name, Life After 40 is Good. And I just want to thank you for watching my video. Really appreciate it, and I always enjoy your positive comments. So until next time, remember, life after 40 is good, and so are you. Take care. Bye-bye. Awesome. And you can see that I could just stick this way out here on the edge, this way out here on the edge. Oops. Maybe not that far.